Go, boom! Acrobat. Evelise. Evelise. It's not very exciting.
What do you want me to do? Hang her upside down?
Yeah. I want to hear some laughing. Clapping. I want to hear some laughing. There she is. Evelise! Evelise! Is that funny? Is that funny?
Are you out of breath?
You look silly. Evelise, can you say hi? Say hi.
Wave bye-bye.
Hi, Albert and Laura.
Say bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. We'll see you
Bye-bye.
later. Say bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Hey, will you tell him bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Bye. Say bye.
Bye. Oh, we're sucking our thumb. It's night-night time.